Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and I am doing a video for you guys right now from Cancun, Mexico. But the story of the day is that Bitcoin is going up. Now, why is this a crazy story? Why is this a video that's worth making today? Because today is a Sunday, guys. A Sunday. And what we've seen traditionally during this bear market from Bitcoin is that the weekend price action has been very weak and flat, typically. Now, right now, Bitcoin is up about 1.5, almost 2% at about $27,200 at the time of this recording, which is actually pretty spectacular. Now, last week, let's go back and kind of look at what happened in the price action. Well, if you were watching it, we really were up in the higher $27,000 price region, looked at 28K, and then all of a sudden, in the weekend prior, we had the new news that broke about the conflict happening in the Middle East. That was a conversation that sparked a lot of talk about a war, what countries could be getting involved in that, and what might happen with the markets. Between then and now, we've had some CPI data come out. That CPI data was actually showing that inflation came in slightly higher than expected, but it does still show that we are headed in the right direction. Now, in the upcoming FOMC meeting, which is happening in November, actually November 1st, in about 15 or 16 days, Bitcoin is probably going to have another very volatile move. What we need to look out for, though, is whether or not Federal Chair Jerome Powell is going to raise the interest rates or keep them the same. Because in the past, we have heard from Federal Chair Jerome Powell, and I actually want to live stream his next FOMC meeting with you guys when that does happen, when I'm back to my studio. Actually, in November, I'll have a new studio, which I'm very excited to share with you guys. But we need to be aware of what he says, because if he keeps the interest rates the same, then we can actually likely expect even more bullish momentum. Now, typically, Q4 is a bullish time period for Bitcoin and crypto. October, a lot of people call it Uptober. Now, right now, Bitcoin in the month of October is up about 1% overall, maybe up about 2% right now, given this pump that we're having today. But we don't really know for sure if, history is always going to show that October is going to be a green month. We don't really have any facts on that, guys. You can look at the history and you can see out of the last 10 Octobers, I think that 8 of them have been bullish. This one so far is slightly bullish. Now, September's are typically bearish, but that was actually a bullish September. So what's really at play here, guys? We need to keep an eye on, first, the FOMC meeting. Secondly, we also need to keep an eye on this global conflict, what's going on with that conversation. And third, you got to recognize that we are in a bear market here. Bitcoin's going up today, which is great. We can certainly keep moving up. That's possible. Q4 is typically bullish. October's typically bullish. But September fooled us. September was the opposite of what it was supposed to be as well. And that was a positive thing because it went up. But it is good. Today, Bitcoin's up. I don't think this necessarily means that we're going to have a massive continuation upward, though it is very good to see on a weekend, after all this news kind of came out, on a weekend we're getting some upward momentum out of Bitcoin, which is not typical. Guys, we see most of the volatility during the weekday when we see the traditional marks moving. We're getting some upward moves right now. Absolutely great to see. Just a quick update for you guys from Cancun while I'm on a vacation with my family, with my wife. We're having a great time. Just wanted to give you guys one quick little Bitcoin update on the day. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.